Hey, John Crestani here, and I'm going over how you can triple, yeah, you heard me, triple the amount of money that you make from each product you sell. And I'm doing so with my beautiful daughter, Lily, here. But I'm gonna go over how you can triple the amount of money. I'm gonna go over 3 different techniques that I use to get insane monetization on basically everything I do. And this has been one of my big tricks and one of my big advantages in marketing up until this point is just being a monetization monster. So comment monster down below if you are stoked to hear these ultra money tips. John Crestani here. So we're gonna go over how to triple the amount of money you make on each sale. First off, give a big like for my daughter showing up in the intro. Give a subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like money, or if you're just stoked to see what's going on. The first tip is to move people from making one-time product purchases to making monthly recurring payment commitments. Most marketers think about selling people one thing at a time. Now in reality, the hardest sale to get whenever you're selling or marketing anything is the first initial sale. Subsequent sales are much easier afterwards. Now you can do this by either just selling products that have recurring payment structures into them. If it's affiliate products, you could get recurring commissions, or if you're doing e-commerce, you move people to, monthly subscriptions. What you could also do is, let's say you're selling ebook or something, or some sort of health supplement to help with anxiety, let's say. You make an initial sale and then you move people. Right after you make that initial sale, you ask them to do a monthly subscription. Right after that, literally the second after they click the confirm order button, you say, hey, would you like to, if you're doing e-commerce, say, would you like to upgrade to a monthly subscription and, we'll save you money somehow. Or literally right after that, you say, hey, would you like to join some sort of monthly program? I like recurring commissions because it makes your life easier. It makes your life more consistent and reliable, like clockwork. I know if I have a ton of subscription commissions coming in, that I just know what to expect every single month. I know expect $25,000 every single month from ClickFunnels, right? Or whatever it is. For example, I personally have a monthly coaching program. So I only offer this to students of my Super Affiliate System course. Right after people purchase my Super Affiliate System course, I give them the option of having group coaching, live group coaching with me. It's small-ish group coaching, and it costs $247 a month. I call it my inner circle. It is the best value bang for the buck, I think, in the history of all of my programs, because I go on live, I help people live with their ads, I take over their computers, I do things, I call people out, I really work on people's maybe mentality or what's been holding them back. It's really fun, right? And good number of people that are paying $247 a month. Now, I get half, the affiliate who referred the sale gets half, so there's a lot of recurring money right there for affiliates and for myself alike. And the customers, obviously they get the value, or they just cancel because we make it super easy to cancel. Now, anyone can do this. If you have a skill in anything, you can offer a monthly coaching sort of subscription or service where you do webinars, or maybe you get on phone calls, or maybe you start a Voxer and you allow people access to you via Voxer. There's a lot of ways you can get into coaching online and make significant incomes, and you do it on a subscription type of service. And it's good for everyone because customers get value. There's no other way to get coaching from me. The affiliates get value and I get value. So it's a win-win-win scenario. The second tip to triple the amount of money that you make from each sale is offer folks tools to help them further in whatever product you sell them. For example, I sell training on how to help people in internet marketing. Now, the tool that I encourage folks to get right now, until our own tool's out, is ClickFunnels, because ClickFunnels is a page builder that's very helpful. I use it myself all the time, and it makes web page building easy. You don't need to know any programming. ClickFunnels costs $97 a month, and they give 50% commissions to affiliates. So once again, there is, I forget how many hundreds of people I have on ClickFunnels, but I make, whatever it is, like 20-some thousand dollars every single month in recurring payments from ClickFunnels, and the customers are super happy, the people that use ClickFunnels, because they don't have to pay somebody thousands of dollars to build a website for them. Now, if I was teaching people how to do e-commerce, like drop shipping and stuff, what I would encourage people to subscribe to is Shopify. Very obvious, right? If I was teaching people Amazon, I would encourage people to use Helium 6 or any one of the other Amazon kind of like research tools out there. You don't even need to be in internet marketing related niches to offer folks tools. If you're teaching people how to become gardeners, for instance, sell them shovels, offer them real tools. Go in an affiliate program for wrenches or screwdrivers or whatever it is, right? There are affiliate programs for anything. If you're teaching people how to be electricians, or if you're selling into the fitness market, there are lots of tools that help people become more fit, or monthly coaching programs, or, Fitbit has a monthly subscription to access your data or something. So there's monthly subscription services and tools for any niche out there. These tools will be critical to your customers' success, and they'll make their lives easier. And you're getting customers what they need, and you're making more money in the process.
Don't miss JC free webinar where you'll learn his 3 top secret strategies. This method will make you the most money possible and earn you big commission with other people's products. Just sign up with the link in the description.
Now, last but not least, you want to offer your customers software to automate processes in whatever niche you're selling into, whether it's survival, weight loss, dating, internet marketing, real estate, whatever. Remember, people always want things easier, cheaper, faster. If you can provide them with a software that makes things easier and or cheaper and or faster, people will pay good money for that. For example, one of the methods that I teach my students is how to post links and videos on YouTube. What I did was I created a software that automatically does that for them, and I started selling it. A lot of folks thought to themselves, hey, I don't want to post my own links on YouTube. I don't want to download and re-upload my own videos on YouTube. Sure, I'll pay John Crestani $39 a month to do that. And again, people want easier, faster. I was easier and faster. It wasn't cheaper because they could do it for free, but people are willing to pay money for anything if you can simplify it for them. Anytime you build software, you can make more money. And the cool part of this is you don't even have to build the software yourself. You can find people all over the place. There are programmers all over the world that will build things for you for cheap or even partner with you. Now, the best way to do things is build software to solve one of your own problems first. Once you solve one of your own problems, see if other people want that problem solved. Let's say you are using one of my traffic methods to go out there and make money online. If you just look into ways to automate it with software, you probably are on about something valuable. Now, what we're doing in my business is we're taking my training program, Super Affiliate System, which teaches people how to get affiliate links, post them on a pre-sale page, build a page, and post ads, right? We're taking my course and we're just automating all of that and turning it into software, taking a process that used to take 8.5 hours for my students. We benchmark this stuff, and we're turning it into software so it takes less than 5 minutes for folks to go from literally nothing to having a website, having ads up on YouTube, Instagram, Google, and Facebook, and have their affiliate link already placed for them on the page. Now, we're also turning my training program from $1,000 to $1,000 a year. We're building in software to make things way more valuable. Instead of just having customers, we create customers for life. And I really believe that software is the future. It's the holy grail of all business, and it's really hot right now. And that's not to mention the fact that if you build a valuable software company with a product market fit, every dollar you make is actually worth an additional 5 to 10. Yeah, you heard me. So even if your company is losing money, let's say your company does $1 million a year and you make nothing, you could sell your company for $5 to $10 million. That sounds a little crazy, but it's true, because software companies are super valuable. Nobody will buy a training business. Everyone will buy a software-based business. So you just create a really valuable engine for yourself. You know, a lot of companies run at 20% margins, so the typical $1 million business will make $200,000 a year. Now, you figure if you can sell that business for $5 million, now what happens is you went from 20% profit margins to 520% profit margins. It's obscene, but this is how the world works. Software is that important, and that's a way that you can make not triple, but way more than triple whatever each customer is worth to you. So thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. And as always, if you want free money, I'm going to show you how. I give away gift cards. I scratch these off live and I show the money so that subscribers of mine can get free money, hundreds and hundreds of dollars of free money every single Monday. And it's just free. You just have to be on my live stream and be subscribed to my channel and enable notifications to get notified about when my next free money giveaway is. So make sure to subscribe, hit notifications, and if you want to continue the discussion or learn more about marketing, make sure to check out my homepage, check out some of my playlists. I have a lot of content here on YouTube. You know, I want you all to be successful, so check out the videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Bye.
John, hey, it's about 5:40 a.m. Central Time. I just wanted to send you this video and let you know I followed all the directions, did exactly what you said. I checked in my account a few hours later, and I had already gotten 10 clicks and 1 sale, and I could not be happier. Following what you say to do works, because it worked for me.
No money has to come out of your pocket for ad spend or nothing. He shows you the true and legit way to start your marketing campaigns with no money.
Using John's program, I've been able to generate probably close to $1 million in additional income for myself.